Imagine making money with a completely unique copy and paste technique. This will not demand any talents or expertise. In a real sense, you will not be required to work at all. You can begin generating money online right now. With today's strategy, we're not just talking about a minor alteration. We'll be making hundreds of dollars, and that is what distinguishes our procedure from the rest of our methods. This procedure can be used continuously. And the idea behind today's strategy is pretty simple. All we have to do is use interesting articles and then copy and paste, and we can start making money right now. All you'll need is a smartphone or a computer, and take note that this will work on both Android and iOS devices, so no need to worry. This approach is available all around the world, and it is completely free. We'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so make sure you watch the full video from beginning to end so you won't get lost about today's approach. And make sure you don't miss any vital facts because of skipping parts of this video, because if you overlook essential details, you are unlikely to achieve your set objectives. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. The first thing that we want you to do is to go to google.com, search for Bing, and then click on the first result that appears. By doing that, you'll be sent to this website right here. Basically, it functions in the same way as Google does. It's also a search engine, where you can look up almost anything you want, similar to how you would on Google. After that, you'll press in articles and then click enter. As soon as you click enter on that, Microsoft Bing will show you some search results, mostly of random articles. And you'll see at least 1,000 of them, very similar to how Google works. So these are all the results based on what you looked up. Here are some of the instances of the search results. We didn't specify what sort of articles we were looking for, so these are simply random articles. As a result, Bing just provided us with random articles. Let's put that aside for now because I'd want to present you another website called Seo Clerks, which you can reach by typing seoclerks.com into your browser, and it should send you right here. Now, this website effectively pays you to write or publish articles. But don't worry, you won't have to write or construct any of your own articles from scratch. And if you want to learn how to do it, make sure you stay watching. Anyway, we've already had ways like this on this channel, but this is a fresh new website that pays you to write an article, which we've only recently discovered, and we've also discovered that it pays far more than our previous website that paid you to do the same thing. As a result, we felt obligated to share it. If you are enjoying the video so far, be sure to give us a thumbs up and like the video. Also, down in the comment section, tell me what country you're from so I can do even more videos on how to make money online that will work for you and your area. You don't need any writing abilities. In fact, you don't even need to create any of our own articles because you can easily copy and paste, which will teach you how to do it. So this is a fantastic chance and a fantastic website. And because this strategy is still relatively new, not many people are aware of it. So it's essentially a well-kept secret. People get paid $90, $70, $150, and even $600, as you can see. Now that's a lot of money being given out every day. That's a lot of possibilities. And by the way, you can do as much as you want in a day. So let's assume you can earn $800 per day by pressing a few buttons, clicking a few times, copying and pasting a few sentences, and that's all there is to it. So in a minute, we'll show you how to sign up for this, but first, let's go on to the next website. So the next website will be Conquer, which you may access by typing conquer.io into your browser. Now that's spelled with a K, not a C or a Q. It's KON and KER.io. And essentially, if you Google for content creation, you'll find a lot of writing articles. People are earning a lot of money on this platform, and you can learn a lot from it by writing articles, similar to SEO Clerks. Both SEO Clerks and Conquer allow you to sign up for free. So you really may make over $100 every day if you combine the two. And it's all done by copying and pasting, which is totally cool. The truth is, Conquer doesn't pay out as much as SEO Clerk does. However, as I already stated, when you combine the two, you'll be unbeatable. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. Now go back to Bing and then pick news from the tiny dots in the upper left corner. You'll see all of the news articles on Bing, every single news story there is. You won't need to go anywhere else since everything you need is right here. However, before we go on, we'd want you to visit another website called Ezine Articles, which is written E-Z-I-N-E and articles.com. Now this website provides a large number of entirely free news articles. Can you picture what that would be like? These are copyright-free articles on themes ranging from A to Z that you may use for anything, anywhere, and with anybody. And that is unimaginably crazy. Then let's assume you want to submit an article on business. So choose a business from the drop-down menu, then it will take you to this website where you will find all of the articles about business. So you can just pick any of these business-related articles. You may sell them on both of the websites we just showed you, SEOclerks.com and Conquer.io. Of course, because these articles are copyright-free, it just means that they've been overused and a lot of people have probably already used them. And we don't want to have the same article as everyone else, do we? So now we're going to teach you how to move away from everyone else who is utilizing the same exact articles and possibly isn't even selling anymore by acquiring a copyright-free article and making it your own with only a click of a button. So for instance, let's take this article right here. It's going to take you to the entire article. Now you'll want to copy all of your favorite portions of the article or simply the whole thing. It really doesn't matter. Then go to prepostseo.com and voila! This is the place where you should be. As you can see, Prepost SEO is assisting millions of webmasters, students, instructors, and SEO specialists every month by empowering over 95 free online tools. You have the option of selecting an article rewriter right here. As you can see, there's something similar to a paraphraser, but that's not what we're looking for. We want to select the article rewriter because it is just what we needed. Then it will redirect you to this page. To utilize this article rewriter, simply copy and paste the text into the input box below, or pick a file to upload. Therefore, you can just copy-paste or download a file. You can do either two. Then press the Rewrite Article button. So you'll see two boxes and all you have to do now is paste what you copied or upload what you downloaded into the original content box. Then press Rewrite Article and bingo! That will rewrite the entire article for you in a matter of seconds. You can copy the updated version of the article and publish it to the news. You can also obtain articles and have them redone from Bing, so that it will be exactly like your own. So what are you waiting for? Begin using this strategy right now to make money as you've never made before. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will always be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!